Southwest Airlines, one of America's most recognizable low-cost carriers, continues to make headlines in 2025, standing at a crossroads of innovation, resilience, and strategic recalibration. Known for its bags-fly-free policy and open seating, the airline has long differentiated itself from legacy carriers. However, the post-pandemic travel rebound, rising fuel costs, evolving passenger expectations, and mounting competition from ultra-low-cost carriers and international rivals have all converged to challenge Southwest's traditional playbook. In 2025, Southwest is making a concerted push to redefine its identity. For years, the airline operated with a single aircraft model of the Boeing 737, ensuring operational efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Yet with delays in 737 MAX deliveries and increased demand on key routes, Southwest is now re-evaluating its fleet flexibility. Although executives remain loyal to the all-737 strategy, insiders suggest the company is exploring new variants with extended range or more sustainable fuel options to better position itself for the future. This strategic flexibility could prove crucial as the airline competes on long-haul domestic routes and potential international expansions. The airline's network strategy has also evolved in 2025. Traditionally favoring a point-to-point model over the hub-and-spoke systems of legacy carriers, Southwest is now blending both approaches to meet shifting market demands. While the point-to-point model remains core to its DNA, the addition of focus cities and new short-haul business corridors has helped Southwest grow its presence in previously underdeveloped markets. Airports like Kansas City, Nashville, and Austin have seen increased connectivity, turning them into mini-hubs and allowing Southwest to serve more passengers while optimizing aircraft utilization. One of the most notable trends in 2025 is the renewed emphasis on customer experience. With Gen Z and younger millennials representing a growing portion of the travel demographic, expectations have shifted from just affordability to a balance of convenience, digital integration, and comfort. In response, Southwest has rolled out enhanced in-flight Wi-Fi with faster streaming capabilities, refreshed cabin interiors with larger overhead bins and power ports, and an upgraded mobile app that makes it easier for passengers to change flights, track bags, and access boarding passes. The company is also piloting a loyalty revamp that incorporates more flexible redemption options and elite tier perks. However, not all has been smooth sailing. Southwest's operations in late 2023 and early 2024 were marred by a series of high-profile disruptions stemming from outdated scheduling software and labor disputes. These incidents prompted public scrutiny and forced the company to accelerate investment in its IT infrastructure. In 2025, Southwest has implemented a new crew management system designed to reduce cascading delays during irregular operations. While still being fine-tuned, early results suggest greater resilience and more predictable service for passengers, a critical improvement in a time when customer patience is thin. Labor relations remain a delicate area. Like many airlines, Southwest has been negotiating with multiple unions across its workforce, including pilots, flight attendants, and mechanics. While several contracts were renewed early in the year, some groups remain at odds with management over wages, scheduling, and safety procedures. The company has committed to improving dialogue with its frontline employees and investing in workplace wellness and training. Whether this will yield long-term harmony remains to be seen, but the company's leadership insists that employee satisfaction is key to Southwest's brand and service quality. Sustainability is another focus area in 2025. As global attention on climate change intensifies, airlines are under pressure to reduce emissions. Southwest has pledged to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050, with interim targets for 2030. This year, the airline expanded its Sustainable Aviation Fuel (SAF) partnerships and announced test flights using blended fuels out of airports like Denver and Phoenix. Additionally, it's investing in carbon capture technologies and supporting offset projects tied to renewable energy. While some critics argue these efforts are incremental, Southwest's leadership maintains they are essential stepping stones to a more sustainable operation. Financially, the airline has shown signs of solid recovery. Passenger traffic is rebounding strongly, especially on leisure routes. Revenue per available seat mile, RASM, has climbed, bolstered by modest fare increases and improved ancillary revenue through upgraded boarding options and vacation package sales. Though the balance sheet still bears the scars of the pandemic, including debt from emergency liquidity measures, Southwest has taken steps to restore investor confidence through stock buybacks and a reinstated dividend. Analysts believe that if fuel prices remain stable and labor costs are managed effectively, Southwest could return to its pre-pandemic profitability margins by late 2025 or early 2026. Looking ahead, the airline's biggest challenge may be navigating the balance between staying true to its low-cost heritage and adapting to a fast-changing industry. Competitors like Delta and JetBlue are aggressively courting business travelers with premium cabin experiences and airport lounges. Meanwhile, ultra-low-cost carriers like Spirit and Frontier are drawing price-conscious travelers with stripped-down fares and étoiles de la carte offerings. Southwest must continue innovating without alienating its core base of loyal flyers who value simplicity, transparency, and reliability. In summary, 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for Southwest Airlines. With a renewed focus on technology, operational resilience, customer experience, and sustainability, the airline is laying the groundwork for its next chapter. Though hurdles remain from labor negotiations to competitive threats, the company's adaptability, strong brand loyalty, and historically savvy leadership provide reasons for cautious optimism. For travelers, investors, and aviation watchers alike, Southwest remains a carrier worth following.